Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of How to Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to fix if your Facebook live event option is not showing into your Facebook profile. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now into your Facebook profile, the live event option is not showing. In that case, just simply go to this page and from here click to help and support option. And in here just simply click to report a problem and now simply click to continue to report a problem. And you can choose either of these options if you want to include the logs and diagnostics of this report. Into here just simply select the profile option, and after going into the profile option just simply describe the issue. You can write something like this, and after describing the issue just simply click to this send button into the top right corner, and then your report will be sent to the Facebook, and whenever help center review your issue, your problem will be solved. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.